however, to attempt to listen very carefully to the very core of one's soul.
We're missing a theory of everything. What ignited creation? What drives the cosmos? Why do youngsters fall in love? Why are they the glories and subtleties of nature, seemingly beautiful but weak entities around, like flamingos and butterflies, as opposed to just powerful lions? If there is a purpose to the universe, then what's the purpose? Maybe in 100 years, maybe in 1,000 years, science will have the tools necessary to deal with this.
Indeed, there's probably no subject in which the conflict between science and religion is more clearly etched than in this question of the origin and the evolution of life.
At the molecular level, all life on Earth uses the same 20 amino acids.
It's really up to folks like us to make this a mission for science to really revolutionize how we view our place in the universe.
As far as I'm concerned, all emergent phenomena arise from the interaction of many different agents. They can be physical particles, they can be some other aspect of a system which can assume combinatorically huge numbers of possible configurations. Science is really at a loss to discover in any detailed way how it happened.
You say, look, we can't have a definition and we can't have a general theory because we just don't know enough.
In order to crack the cosmic code, so to speak, you have to discern, in my opinion, an eternal dynamic. If you can't discern an eternal dynamic, you can't play in that sandbox.
Correct.
The cosmos is trying to reach its own potential. Potential goes for complexification, heading towards what I call extraordinariation. Potential tries to optimize. It iterates and optimizes. And looking for an embracing theory which at least can be used as a working proposition. Science is sort of generally incremental advance.
Using this principle that scientists must rely on, that you take the simplest possible explanation of phenomena.
I like my core concept to be as simple as possible. If you observe any facet of your daily life, you will see it right in front of you.
So ripples, sand dunes, the various kinds of braiding that you see in stream beds, these are all examples of emergence.
We see how we went from Big Bang to stars, to galaxies, to life on Earth, to humans, to ever-increasing consciousness. We see that trajectory.
At a much larger scale of stars, you see this too. And what you'll see is common to these systems.
There's an overarching dynamic which not only drives the cosmos, but actually is the cosmos. I develop in the book the idea that what's true on a personal level is due on a cosmic level.